Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So I went to the store recently and I didn't find cinnamon, so I decided to get the sticks and make my own fresh cinnamon powder. So basically, this video I'm going to be telling you what cinnamon is and some of the benefits. Well, cinnamon is the bark of a tree and its benefits are so many and beneficial for your health because one, it reduces allergy symptoms, it sweetens up recipes, it's high in antioxidants, it relieves inflammation, protects health, stabilizes blood sugar, preserves brain function, and may even help lower cancer. It also fights infections and viruses. It optimizes oral hygiene and prevents candida. So if you go into the grocery store and do not find cinnamon powder, you can get the sticks and blend it at home for yourself. I enjoy my cinnamon in teas and in cereals. Sometimes I make some recipes with it. Please share in the comment section what else you can use your cinnamon for, and ensure to subscribe if you like what you see. Thank you very much for watching this video and enjoy the rest of your day. God bless.